What did you get from the Easter Bunny, Brady?
Bunny cookies and money.
Did you do a good job of sharing this morning with your sister?
Yes.
You were very good at sharing with her this morning.
You shared all the eggs with her.
I know you did. I was very proud of you out there.
And it's really cold.
It's a little cold this morning, yeah.
Okay, you were good at playing too.
Uh-oh, is it not going in?
Your finger in there?
Is it stuck?
Do I help?
It's sliding off the side, I think. There she got it.
There you go. Gotta line it up. Gotta line it up. Right there. You're putting it crosswise. There you go. Oh. Your finger's stuck to it. There it is.